It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Monday, the 4th of December. I'm Michael Groff. A warming trend takes over for the week ahead. Highs getting up pretty close to 80 degrees by tomorrow and Wednesday. Maybe a few high clouds coming through from time to time, especially today. But in terms of sensible weather, we just won't be seeing any. No shot at precipitation, at least not for the next 7 days, maybe well beyond that. Now, a bit of a cooling trend for this weekend, highs getting back down towards 70, but no real big changes in our weather anytime soon. So let's get into it here. We'll take a look at that almanac from yesterday. 69 degrees, the afternoon high, 47 the morning low, and that is exactly where we ought to be for this time of year. Taking a look outside right now here at 10:10 a.m., we've got a few clouds around, and we're sitting at 56 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point 37, humidity 49%. The winds are light. The barometer is steady. The upper-level weather pattern across the nation features high pressure building in here across the southwest. That's going to lead to a warming trend. Now, there will be some high clouds with that, but the main storm track stays well to the north of us. The watch warning map with a very powerful trough coming into the Pacific Northwest. We've got winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings, dense fog advisories, issues with wind as well. And over the Dakotas, we've got some wind advisories and some high fire danger concerns there as well. I know it's December, but very dry conditions, windy weather. So there is that potential of fire danger, of wildfires to develop. Convective outlook for today. No organized areas of severe weather anywhere around the nation. Hardly any thunder to be found. And the precipitation outlook valid through Monday morning of next week. Rain amounts in Phoenix, nothing. Statewide, nothing. Region-wide, nothing. And again, the main storm track stays far away from us, and we'd love to see things changing around here. But unfortunately, it just doesn't look like that's going to happen. We'll get into the details of it right now, though, as we explore the models. Have a peek. This is the GFS, the 06, this is the 12Z run, actually, and this is valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. High pressure building in here across the southwest, troughing in the east, a big trough off the Pacific Northwest coast and a deep southwesterly flow. Plenty of moisture up there. What it means for us down at the surface here today, we'll see some clouds coming in for this afternoon, high clouds around. And a little bit warmer, highs upper 60s, low 70s. Should overall be a gorgeous day. Now tonight, clear, cool, overnight lows 40s. And then tomorrow, more the same, but warmer. Highs pretty close to 80 with a few clouds around from time to time. Wednesday, mostly sunny, highs again near 80. Look at all that rain over the Pacific Northwest and mountain snow too. Thursday, more rain well to the north and west of us. High temperatures fall back a couple of degrees as the ridge flattens out slightly. Highs still probably in the mid, maybe upper 70s. Low to mid 70s on Friday with mostly sunny sky. The weekend looks pretty nice. A weather system will pass us by this weekend and should bring some cooler weather to parts of New Mexico, West Texas. Slightly cooler here too, but not dramatically so. Highs falling back close to 70 for both Saturday and Sunday. Each day the sky is mostly clear. And so overnight lows will fall back a few degrees as well. We should stay in the 40s for the most part. Here's a week from today. This is Monday, the 11th of December. Troughing in the east and a dry west-northwest flow aloft here. And again, quiet with slightly above average temperatures if that verifies. Going out 10 days. This is Wednesday, the 11th. We've got another trough coming into the west coast. This one could be a little bit deeper, but I'm not going to get too excited about any systems coming our way for a while because the pattern's just not favoring that right now. Again, there are signs of some type of pattern change coming, but not for 10 days at least. And I know people are still asking about El Nino. This is an El Nino year. Come on, Mike. This has been a dud of an El Nino year. Now, normally El Nino for us doesn't really start to produce precipitation until December, or deeper into January, February, and March. But as I've mentioned before, this El Nino is going to be littered with uncertainty, more so than normal, due to very high sea surface temperatures, above average sea surface temperatures across much of the globe, particularly out over the Pacific. So I don't know if this will be a wet El Nino for us. I'm tending to lean toward not, although with the higher moisture content out there over the Pacific. Any one storm that does get going here over the Southwest could really produce some heavy rain. So we'll watch, but boy, right now, things look to stay dry for at least the foreseeable future. And to that, we'll show you here. This is the European Ensemble out through the 18th of the month here, showing rainfall for Phoenix. And the Ensemble mean about 1/10 of an inch, and not a single member has any rain for at least the next 10 days. Right out there at about 10 days and beyond, a few members start introducing some precipitation chances, but it'll be a while. And then checking out temperatures off the National Blend of Models. Again, we're going to be warm today, tomorrow, Wednesday, slightly lower temperatures for this weekend, and overall highs staying a little bit above average all the way out through the next 10 days. And that is going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. Should you happen to enjoy these videos, then be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, leave those comments, questions, and suggestions. And if you really like what we do here, you want to support us monetarily, you can do so by clicking on that thanks icon below the video here on YouTube and make your monetary contributions. $2, $5, $500, it's all good. Every dollar helps in furtherance of this channel and supporting what we do. And frankly, putting a little bit of food on the table here. You know, weather guys got to eat too. All right. The executive producer in absentia is my one and only, the sweetest of all time, the Asian sensation and the proprietor of SweetChildAZ.com.org and the Facebook page of the same name, Sweet Child Arizona. I'm talking about my Michelle, so check her out. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. All of your continued support, so greatly appreciated. Please be safe out there and have yourselves a beautiful Monday.